Hey, I'm Ricky.
Hey, I'm Haydn.
And we're going to show you some easy DIY ideas so you can freshen up your laundry on a budget. You ready for this?
Let's do it again.
Could be our biggest mission yet.
Can't believe they let us in.
Where are we going to start? What are we got in this one? Okay.
All right.
There's not a lot in here. Like one, there's no storage.
Yep. We need more storage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like, it's actually not a bad size laundry.
You think we could get the washer and dryer side by side?
Yeah, definitely.
And then
because you got this space here.
Yeah.
Take that up. They've got no bench space.
Get a bench in.
Yep.
Get some shelves.
But you know what? For those, because there's nothing in here,
Yeah.
a couple of those real small changes, I reckon will have a massive impact in a small space like this, and it'll be a completely different room.
If we can give them the space and the bench space and the storage.
We can make this laundry somewhere where you could be excited to enter. Do you know what I mean? People will be excited to get into the laundry and do their washing.
Never been excited to get into the laundry,
No,
but sure.
but this could be
the one.
mate. Yeah. Question: can we reinstate the drinks fridge? It's a required item.
Yep.
Drinks fridge must stay.
Okay. All right. Agreed.
Okay.
Cool.
Good.
Well, I reckon that's it.
You get the paint. I'll get the drinks.
Yeah. Sounds fair.
But what are we going to do with the cabinetry? Like, because there's this whole corner situation. Like, I don't know. Like, hopefully the guys at Bunnings can sort of help us there. Like,
We're going to need some help, I reckon.
because I think it's going to come down to what they can sort of make work in that corner.
Well, we've done our part. We've measured.
Yeah, I know. Exactly. We've got the measurements.
Yeah.
Tom, mate, I've got a little bit of a DIY project I'm very excited about in a laundry. Taking like a stacked washing machine and dryer, and I want to put them underneath a bench. And then I've got a very tricky little corner that I'm trying to deal with. I'm hoping you might have something off the shelf that I can sort of get in this little bit of a corner to sort of help this reno project. Do you reckon you can help? Test anyone wearing a red shirt to see how much they know. Weirdly, they know where every item in the whole store is.
So what you're after is actually a blind corner cabinet that we actually stock at our store in L70.
Awesome, mate. Let's go. Oh, yeah, cool. Awesome, mate. Let's get that one straight off the shelf. Just grab that side. Awesome. Sweet. Mate, come on, get to work. Well, you've got
a full
nothing.
trolley.
You've got nothing in yours.
I thought I'd let you carry me for once.
Get to it, come on. I'm looking for something in Merbu, something 20 mil-ish, and something big enough that I can make the bench top and my floating shelf out of.
Yeah, absolutely, you're in the right spot. Interior Merbu bench tops is, I think, what you're actually after.
Awesome, great. It's Merbu, it's big enough. I reckon this is the one.
Perfect.
Cool.
Let's get into it.
Start with this.
Start with the
Take them
high
away.
items.
Yep.
Okay, I'll put this
These.
somewhere.
Is it time to move the washer and dryer, you reckon?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I reckon I'll start. If you just disconnect the hose, mate, over there and let us know you go.
Where you going?
I'll be back. Just, my phone's ringing. I'm just gonna bugger off.
So this is our bench from Bunnings that we've cut. From a DIY perspective, this is as easy as it gets, literally. Bit of dab, straight on. Look at that colour work. Light work, made easy.
Yeah, not the only thing being made easy in this garage, mate. 741, 742. Well, you're carving bench tops, mate. I'm carving everything else. Let me know when that stain's done.
That's how it usually works.
I'm looking forward to seeing if this actually fits.
I think it will. That'll fit perfect.
How you going down there, mate?
Yeah, not bad. Can you pass me a rag though?
Yep.
Thanks, mate.
You're welcome. Go up. Oh, mate,
Will it fit?
making bench tops look easy.
Oh, Nice work.
Like a glove.
Good cutting, mate.
You're welcome. Pretty excited to finish off this little hack, mate.
How good's that, mate? A curtain rod, repurposed. Now we've got all the hanging space we need.
Hang and shelving, all in the use of just
Right.
2 brackets.
Done. Your end in. How good's that?
That's a very good DIY hack. Mate, I think we're done.
How good, mate? How much better does this look?
This is incredible. I can't believe the maximum impact that we've made with the zero amount of effort, really.
And the minimum budget we had.
Yeah. How good's all the bench space now?
Mate, the storage and the bench space is unbelievable. It actually...
Because there was no bench top in here at all.
There was nothing.
There was no way you could put your basket there. I reckon this is arguably one of the best rooms of the house, mate. I think this is going to add some value.
It 100% will add value to the house.
So I reckon we've done really well.
Yeah.
Mate, jump out of the way. How about the blind corner cabinet? Again, there was zero and/or poor cabinetry storage before.
Mate, you had one little cabinet here and just nothing in the corner. Look at
How
that.
good's that? So it slides in
through.
nicely. You got the bench top on top there.
Perfect.
Now, mate, the space looks amazing. We've done outstanding. Completely different laundry. So I'm assuming we've completely blown the budget.
Well, mate, we've come under. Unbelievable. First time in history, but we've managed to keep it under
So new
budget.
bench tops, more shelving, more storage and everything, and we're in budget.
It's the way that we've reused the timber. You've gone with the splashback, the offcuts in use.
All right, mate, well, because we're in budget, we've completely changed the space. I reckon we can consider that DIY made easy.
I agree.
Well done, dude.
Cheers, dude.
Absolutely smashed it.
Hopefully owners are happy, man.
Yeah.